Krishna Ramchandran appointed as MD and CEO of Max Bupa. Saurabh Lodha received Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology 2020. Indian Navy has launched Operation Samudra Setu as a part of national effort to repatriate Indian citizens from overseas. The National Energy Agency recently released Global Energy Review in 2020. The report highlights the global energy demand in 2020 and carbon dioxide emissions. 15% of the daily electricity demand has been reduced. The decline in power consumption was noted in countries where service sectors were dominant. The report was prepared by collecting data from 30 countries. The carbon dioxide emissions have declined by 8% as compared to 2019 levels. Next, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank approved 500 million US dollar to COVID-19 to India. Government of India sets up Center of Excellence for coir application. India and Sri Lanka are the leading producers of coir. Together they account to 90% of global coir fiber production. Next, amendment to Prime Minister Research Fellowship Program. It makes GATE score mandatory for the student of any other institute other than the central institutes such as ISC, NIT, IIT and IIIT. यूनाइटेड नेशन इन्वायरमेंट प्रोग्राम मार्क द वर्ल्ड माइग्रेटरी डे मनाते हैं मई 9 तारीख को. थीम थी बर्ड कनेक्ट आवर वर्ल्ड. नेक्स्ट, डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री साइंस MOU with Tata Power to modernize 37 airfields. Next, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched the Indian rupees and US dollar future and option contract in the BSE and NSE platform. Future and option are financial products that allow investors to buy or sell shares at a specific price by a specific date. Future and options are financial products that allow investors to buy or sell shares at a specific price by a specific date. Options contract give the right to buy or sell the shares at any time till the validity of the contract exists. Under future contract, a buyer and seller can buy or sell only on a specific future date. Types of option होते हैं दो, कॉल एंड पुट. कॉल का मतलब है बाय, पुट का मतलब है सेल. इंडियन पोस्ट delivers testing kit from ICMR. The kit are delivered with a packing of dry ice. Dry ice is a solid form of carbon dioxide. It is used as cooling agent. The main advantage of dry ice is that the temperature is lower than that of water ice. Dry ice is colorless and has a sour zesty odor. It is non-flammable. Massive exercise चालू करी है गवर्नमेंट ने to supply pulses and food grain to 80 crore people. Royal Bengal tiger in the Sundarban has increased to 96. It is an endangered species. The United Nations and its partner agencies have launched 6.7 billion US dollar global appeal in order to fight against COVID-19. The startup of IIT Delhi has found an antimicrobial face mask that can be washed and reused for 50 times. इसका नाम है N-Safe. The Resistance Front. The Resistance Front is a new name of terror group in Kashmir. Next, World Thalassemia Day मनाते हैं 8 मई को. Thalassemia is a genetic blood disorder that is characterized by abnormal hemoglobin production. There are two major types of thalassemia, alpha and beta. Next, Indian scientists develop energy efficient photo detector for security application. Uttar Pradesh government passed an ordinance to suspend labor laws in the state for 3 years. It will allow the industries to freely employ a large number of migrant workers. Also, the ordinance will have to bring the economy back to track. The ordinance applies to new factories and existing businesses as well. Next, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research (ICAR) released advisories to fisheries sector in 12 languages. Apart from Hindi and English, 10 regional language में भी होगा. United Nations Environment Program extended the term of Diya Mirza as Goodwill Ambassador 2022 तक. Styrene gas leaked from LG Polymers plant in Visakhapatnam. Styrene is a chemical compound identified as a neurotoxin. It is also known as vinylbenzene, ethylbenzene, and phenylbenzene. Styrene gas is colorless and odorless. The gas is spread in air very quickly. The styrene gas affects the respiratory system. It slowly paralyzes the lung muscle, causing complete respiratory paralysis. This leads to death due to oxygen deprivation. Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare began clinical trial of Ayush medicine. An application called Sanjeevani was launched to learn about the acceptance of people using Ayush as a cure to COVID-19. Long March 5B, China's new rocket launched successful. ये लॉन्च हुआ था वेंगचैंग लॉन्च साइट से, जो कि लोकेटेड है आइलैंड ऑफ हाइनान. मुस्तफ़ा अल कदीमी was chosen as the first Iraq Prime Minister after Adel Abdul Mahdi, जिसने रिज़ाइन कर दिया नवंबर में. Government of India launched farmers movement on integrated soil nutrient management. It will include soil testing and campaign addressing the importance of application of fertilizers based on report of soil testing. भारतीय प्राकृतिक कृषि पद्धति. This scheme aims to promote natural farming. It plans to cover 12 lakh hectare of land. It is centrally sponsored scheme है ये. Soil health card लॉन्च हुआ था 2015 में. ईरान न्यू करेंसी ईरान ने घोषित की है टू टैकल इन्फ्लेशन. इसका नाम है तोमन. नेक्स्ट, वंदे भारत मिशन द बिगेस्ट इवैक्यूएशन एक्सरसाइज बिगन. It was to bringing stranded Indians from all over the world. The entire Vande Bharat mission is led by Air India. Next, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy released report on impact of energy efficiency measures. According to the report, energy initiative of BEE have helped to save rupees 89,000 crore. India pledges at Conference of Parties 21 में ने घोषणा कर रखी है कि 33 to 35% इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इंटेंसिटी कम करेगी एज कम्पेयर टू 2005. दिस इज टू बी अचीव्ड बाय 2030. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया मोर रूरल इंटरनेट यूजर्स आर देयर देन अर्बन. रिपोर्ट है ये इंटरनेट एंड मोबाइल एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया की. फीमेल इंटरनेट यूज़र ज़्यादा हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू मेल. दिल्ली टॉप करता है इन इंटरनेट पेनिट्रेशन आफ्टर फॉलोड बाय केरला. Next, the Indian Meteorological Department has begun to include Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan, Ladakh and Muzaffarabad into its meteorological subdivision of Jammu and Kashmir. Next.